Let's talk about one of my favorite creative tools, Scamper. Sometimes when you hit a creative block, you don't need to start from scratch. You just need a new way of looking at something. That's where Scamper comes in. Scamper is a technique that helps you ask structured questions about an existing product, idea, or process and transform it into something new and valuable. It is especially useful during the ideation phase when you want to generate a variety of innovative ideas from what you already know. Scamper is actually an acronym. Each letter stands for a creative prompt, a different way to challenge the status quo and reimagine your product or solution. It encourages fresh thinking, help you find opportunities for innovation, and it's super practical. You can apply it to features, service, marketing, even business models. The best part is you don't need to be a creative genius. Scamper guides you thinking using simple yet powerful questions. Here is how Scampers break down. So, as I mentioned, these are acronym, all the words, right? So, S represent for substitute. What can you replace? Can you substitute a material, a process, person, or even a business model? For an example, what if instead of live tutors, you used AI to deliver lessons? C represent for combine. What if you bring two things together? Could two features be merged to add more value? Imagine combining a calendar with a task manager. Now you have a full productivity suite. A is adjust or adopt. Can you adjust or tweak something to better fit the user's need? Like adapting your product for a new target market or user segment. This is one of the examples. M represent for modify. What can you change? Can you make it bigger, smaller, faster, cheaper, more valuable? Like Instagram story, think about this. A modification of Snapchat's original idea, what it thrived the market. We represent put to other use. Can this be used differently? Like how baking soda become a frizz deodorizer, not just an ingredient, right? E represent for eliminate. What can you remove or simplify? It is not always adding feature. It is sometimes you can simplify the things to attain more value. Less is more. Think of how Apple eliminated the headphone jack to push wireless adoption. R is for reverse or rearrange. What happens if you reverse a process or sequence? Like Netflix reversed the old TV model. Instead of one episode per week, it dropped entire sessions. Each scamper prompt open up a new dimension of thinking. Even one good idea from this process can lead to a breakthrough.